Welcome to the home of free shipping.
Alright builders, I do want to take a moment to add a serious note here. No rookies should be trying flamethrower stuff. I didn't give any type of flamethrower build to try until I completed drums, verticals, horizontals, pneumatics, everything else. Flamethrowers are probably one of the most dangerous aspects of robot fighting, and it should only be attempted by seasoned veterans who have time, training, and skills. Jim, how long have you been putting flamethrowers on robots?
Maybe 8-10 years.
And that's a lot of experience before you put it on a robot and let a robot control the valves, the fueling, and everything else. Because you are counting on your robot experience to handle the fire properly. And so from all of us here on the Skorpios team and free shipping team, please don't try this at home! Oh, and there's the master of fire himself. What terrible things are you doing right now?
I am transferring some gas from in the robot and do a demonstration.
Oh, I see something else interesting in the background. Who's the purple bot?
That's a raging Scotsman.
That's right. The free shipping team is actually made up of Gary Jen with his robot Original Sin and the Raging Scotsman team, both big RoboGame competitors who combine forces to make the unstoppable beast free shipping with the best aspects of both teams.
Yeah!
Here we are with Forrest, another member of the Raging Scotsman team who lends his talents to free shipping. I see those wedges look like the ones off the front of free shipping. Is that where you guys got the concept?
Well, I think the ones on free shipping look more like Original Sin, but some of the designs, like cutting out of the side walls to save some weight, we do that on free shipping also. These ones have backs to them. Our free shipping wedges don't, and they're just completely hinged and open on the back.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Those literally look like the same carriage bolts we use in Skorpios.
There's a good
They're
chance.
just put in backwards. Well, backwards for us. The right way for you.
Yeah, 3/4?
Yep.
Yep, and the same ones.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi!
With your mini Gary.
Of course.
Gary, do you have any Halloween messages for the fans?
Don't eat too much candy.
Solid. Solid. Just remember, Gary is watching.
So free shipping is under this blanket, but we can't really show you free shipping because there'll be some spoilers involved for this season.
So this is all we get to see?
So this is all we get to see.
I really want to see what's under the blanket, Jim.
You'll have to ask Gary.
Gary?
No.
Oh,
No.
no.
Yes!
She has swag.
Lots of swag. I got shirts, I got stickers. You want some stickers? How about some poker chips? Some coins?
She's got nothing on my swag game.
Swag.
Don't make me give you the paddle.
Uh-oh. So, gentlemen, what's the first thing you recommend people pick up?
A fire extinguisher. You should have a fire extinguisher for your shop, for safety, because you never know what's going to burn. Whether you're playing with fire or with just electrical, you need to make sure that you keep a fire extinguisher nearby. And it could be a class, in this case, it could be a class B or class C, but if you're not sure, look at the label. The tank Invading Scotsman is version 1, the setup, whereas you've got the supply tank, goes into an expansion chamber into the valve and out the front. But you notice the valve here helps to isolate the source tank, but does not isolate the
Expansion tank.
expansion tank. 2 seasons ago, where we have the expansion tank and we have the source tank, And we have the solenoid, but we put the valve after the solenoid. And this way you can isolate the entire system. So if the solenoid goes off, it won't unexpectedly
Fire.
fire. Exactly. That's what we learned in China, is that we had that set up in China initially, and any type of interference or solenoid trips, it suddenly, unexpectedly
Poof.
poof out. So this is the new tank that we have for this season. You see everything's self-contained. The source and the expansion chamber are within here. You've got the custom built base for the valve, and again, gas valve. One of the things that going through inspection, they were really impressed that we were able to use off-the-shelf gas-rated valves, so they didn't have to worry about anything failing because these have been tested.
Let's do it. Let's do one more big burst. So Jim's house is always known for having a big crowd because the free shipping fire effects are on full display. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Master Jedi.
You're looking for.
Phil.
It goes boom.
My daughter and I were just watching.
Is it a fun shooting gallery, Diana?
Yeah. I'm weapon operator for a reason.
Each year, Jim puts his pyrotechnic skills to work as he decorates for Halloween. This year, he's running his exploding Death Star that blows up every few minutes. It's quite the spectacle, and it's actually running at half power. It can make quite the boom, but he doesn't want to scare the small kids in the street this year. He's done dragon's heads, large pumpkins that blow fire out of them, anything to make Halloween special.
We have the moment. Shay dressed up as Diana, Bunny dressed up as Shay, and then Diana dressed up as Bunny. The complete set.
Yay!
It's all gonna be okay.
Yeah!
It's all gonna be okay.
It's all gonna be okay.